bonded by powerful performance, innovation, and achievement. Separated by distinct design choices, Malibu boats are built to exacting standards and branded with select features and customization that personally electrify the soul. As a custom towboat manufacturer, Malibu Boats takes pride in accentuating differences, not just between the competition and themselves, but among their family of owners. It is all about choice. Malibu affords owners the freedom to make any Malibu model their own. And not just by title alone, thousands of bold color combinations, lifestyle-amplifying gel coat, and vinyl graphics combined with signature elements personify a Malibu boat in the owner's image. Customization excites the individual, but at Malibu, the commonality is just as thrilling. Malibu employee owners pour the same inspired effort. Industry achievements like 12 Boat of the Year awards and a matching number of world record feats speak to professional level performance. Outside-the-box firsts like the cross-training XTI series, the Power Wedge, and standard speed control illustrate uninhibited innovation. Intimate factory and dealer relationships distinguish Malibu Boats in the ownership experience. Malibu Boats' exhilaration is as unifying as it is personal. The Malibu family bond comes from digging deep and generating boundless industry innovation even as the undisputed industry leader. This is the Malibu difference. It is a strange and wonderful thing. It is a story that bears repeating, but nothing compares to the actual ride. This DVD is your first glimpse. Don't let it end here. Visit your nearest Malibu dealer and join their family of distinction.